All right, so here I'm going to show you why you must burrito wrap your French drain. So this is one that was installed with a sock pipe and just gravel, and just putting stone right on top of it. And you see, look at this. The soil has just migrated right into the stone. There's like no distinction. There's no helping. This stone is not doing anything for drainage. The sock pipe maybe, but it's just sitting in the ground, completely caked with clay. And what also happens is over time you'll get a depression because as the soil migrates in through all of the stone, it sinks because all the voids, all the air pockets are all filled in. So this is a failed French drain. It's sunken in, which is why it's not working properly, and it's going to have to be replaced. So this is why you must burrito wrap your French drain if you want it to last.